All right, part 4. I'm gonna have to release all these in the mid-span of like 2 hours because it will be July 5th by then, and that won't be that is not time for fireworks. Oh, I knew that one was coming. Got a bunch of these cars driving by. What's that, mosquito spray? It's going wild right now. You're doing this on purpose. You are doing this on purpose. We're going on a firework hunt. We're going on a firework hunt. I'm not scared. Hey, Kane, what are you doing? Don't you dare cross the street.
Come here.
Oh! Won't you look at that? Won't you look at that? Oh boy. July 4th, 2026. This is what they're bringing. Oh my goodness. This is what they're bringing. That one's a good one. Ooh. All right, over here has had some good fireworks.
They always do.
Yeah.
Okay, then relax.
I wish we had fireworks of our own. That would be cool. Yeah. Oh my God. Whoa. We just had some poppers over here.
Down, boy.
Again, how am I physically supposed to?
Easy.
Over here at some poppers. Can stop getting in the camera. I can't film you. Are you serious? No. Okay, fine. There you go. That's all you get. Okay, fine. There. That's all you get. That's all you get. Oh, more? People are crazy. Again, you go again with the poppers. Huh? What? Wait, Mom, what did you say? We're done? We're done watching the fireworks show 2026? Wanna go back in? What? By myself? Oh my gosh. Okay, part 5.